working or nothing.
Mama, it's expired.
That don't matter.
Mom,
Huh?
this expired in 2017.
No.
Are you new here?
Yeah.
What?
Mom, these eggs expired on January 30th.
2023.
They're still good.
Huh?
Did you want some ketchup for those hash browns? Yeah, I've got ketchup. Oh, it only expired like 3 years ago. This is still good. This stuff lasts forever.
We're saving stuff this time, guys. Not this, though. How long has this been in here?
By date Jan 2016. It's fine.
Where's Jack?